Are you looking for the best tripod for Nikon D3200? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best tripod on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Nikon Outdoor Tripod 16749. What could be a better tripod for a Nikon camera than a tripod that comes from the Nikon company? This Nikon tripod is always considered the first choice for Nikon cameras, and it works with all of them, mirrorless, DSLR, and many others. The tripod in general is a very compact one. It measures 17.9 by 3.5 by 3.4 inches and weighs 2.3 pounds. The material that this tripod is made of is aluminum alloy, which means that the tripod is a strong one and can be considered unbreakable. The extended length of this tripod can go up to 49.61 inches, 1 meter, while when it is collapsed it goes down to 15.75 inches, 40 centimeters. The weight that this tripod is able to hold is 5.5 pounds, and that means that you won't have any problem with any camera that you may own, and of course, Nikon D3200 because it is lightweight. The Nikon tripod has ABS locks that allow you to fix the legs of the tripod in the way that you want to and they stay strong and don't cause any movement, and that totally defines the stability that this tripod gives to you. This tripod owns an aluminum ball head that is fully adjustable and can be rotated up to 360 degrees. It has also a very strong plate that fully secures your camera in the way you want it to be. That is directly related to the tilting and pinning motions of the tripod with the grip handle that is very comfortable while in use. Number 2. Amazon Basics Tripod. This tripod comes in with the cheapest price tag that you may ever encounter when wanting to buy a tripod. It is the most affordable one among the other products that are listed in this article. Even though it comes at a lower price, that doesn't mean that it doesn't bring to you any features. The tripod comes in with a lightweight which is only 1.25 pounds and its size dimensions measure 16.73 by 3.15 by 3.15 inches. It is also made of aluminum, just as the other one already mentioned above. Based on its built material, this tripod is a strong and durable one, and based on its lightweight it is a travel companion for everybody. When this tripod is collapsed it measures 16.5, 41 centimeters, inches, and otherwise, when it is extended, it is 50 inches, 1 meter, long. On this tripod, you can place any camera that doesn't weigh more than 4.4 pounds because it cannot stand more than that weight. Since Nikon D3200 weighs only 1.11 pounds, it fits perfectly. The locks on this tripod allow adjustments of the 3 legs in order to be better for your view. They are very stable once they are securely tightened. There's no shaky camera and it doesn't cause any blur when you shoot a picture. On it, you can also notice the rubber feet that are used for stability. The plate of this Amazon tripod is very easy to use and it can be easily released so that it is easier for you if you want to have a faster change when in between shots. Number 3. Vanguard Alta Pro 263AB100. Vanguard Alta Pro is around the world for many years now, and it is a great choice for those photographers that want amazing landscape and astronomical photography. The tripod is great while in use, as well as very easy to be adjusted. Besides being compatible with DSLR cameras, you can also use it with mirrorless cameras and video cameras. The dimensions of this tripod measure 30.7 by 5.1 by 4.7 inches and it weighs 5.37 pounds. The tripod is fully made of aluminum alloy which has superior strength, and that's what we need with tripods, right? Even though it is heavier in weight when compared to the other 2 tripods mentioned, it is still a portable one. The height of this tripod can be adjusted as well. When it is extended it measures 68.2 inches, 1.7 meters, and when it is collapsed it measures 28.2 inches, 71 centimeters. The capacity of the weight that it can hold is impressive. On the tripod, you can place cameras that weigh up to 15.4 pounds, so that means that this tripod is able to handle a lot of weight. This Vanguard tripod has a MAX system which is defined as a multi-angle central column, and it means that you can move the tripod from 0 to 180 degrees for a better position, both horizontal and vertical. The legs also can be adjusted for 25, 50, and 80 degrees. The ball head of this tripod can be rotated to 360 degrees and it captures the whole scene whenever you want. It also includes a very quick releasable plate. With the instant swivel stop and lock system, the Vanguard tripod is very secure and very easy to use. Number 4. Peak Design Travel Tripod. Peak Design Travel Tripod is an amazing piece of photography equipment. It is known as one of the most stable tripods, very well built, and it is compatible with many different cameras, plus you can place on it your smartphone. All these mentioned should have something in between, right? Well, it comes with an expensive price tag. The tripod is very well designed, and it is made of a very strong material, which is carbon fiber. It is a very stable tripod based on its build. It measures 19.65 by 8.15 by 8.03 inches and weighs 2.84 pounds. The tripod is fully weather sealed. Its parts are all very strong and are very resistant to any inconvenience. It is a portable tripod which can be brought anywhere you want, even in water. It is fully designed and made to last. When this tripod is extended it measures 60 inches, 1 meter, and when it is folded or collapsed it measures 15.4 inches, 39 centimeters. Plus, an impressive feature that this camera owns is that it can also be folded to 5.5 inches, 14 centimeters, and looks like a bottle of water. It also has a great capacity that can hold up cameras that weigh 20 pounds, and it beats the capacity of the tripod that is previously mentioned. The tripod also owns a fully ergonomic ball head that is omnidirectional and can be rotated in any direction that you want it to be. It is all in all a very secure tripod that also has a very secure grip so that you don't have to worry at all about the camera falling out, and since I mentioned that you can also put your phone on it, it won't move either.